My name is Lyle Wakefield. I'm the service manager for Jim Whitehead's Best One Tire in Greenville, South Carolina. We've been using Myers for as long as I can remember, and being able to be a part of this MTS Xpress experience, having 13 locations, this being our newest location, it looks to be groundbreaking. In an industry that can sometimes be a little bit afraid of technological advances, this is something that's probably going to revolutionize the way we order products, inventory products, and maintain our stocking levels. I believe using the MTS Xpress app is going to save us a lot of time. Having the barcode system in place, we already utilize the phones for our tire processing, so being able to process our supplies, our different tools that we need, having it at our fingertips, being able to get the orders in a little bit quicker while still getting the same service that we're used to. I'd recommend this to any shop owner that's serious about what they're doing in the automotive industry. It's a simple technology to use. It's dummy proof, to say the least, if I can do it. But I think it's one of those things, the more we use it, the more comfortable we get with it, the better it's going to be. And as it develops into its next phases, it's just going to be something that we're going to come to depend on, and we're going to try to figure out how we did it before we had the MTS Xpress app.